Hello everyone, today we will learn different function in Python to play with strings. Let's start. Let's write some string or text in the beginning. So working with strings, run, then let's write code. Strings. So we are using or we are studying string concatenation using addition symbol or operator. For example, name is equal to John under commas plus Smith. So name is equal to John plus Smith concatenation and some space between John and Smith. So print name, it shows John Smith. So if you give some space, then it will show John Smith with space in between. If there is no space, direct plus, then you can say that John Smith with some space between first name and last name. So name, so using addition operator without variables. Now John, first name is John. So this one is with variable name. First name is John and second name is Smith. So full name is equal to first name plus second name. Print full name, it shows John Smith. Again, you need to add space to give some gap between first name and second name. So using dot format function or method to print some name or string inside print function. It works by putting a period directly after the end string. Let's see this. Injecting variables using the dot format method. Name is equal to John. Print hello John. So for that, some parentheses, curly brackets, dot format function, and inside that variable name. There is error, so you need to add no, I think it works with comma, but I don't think so. There is some kind of comma missing. There is an error. Let's play with the error as well. So maybe name is equal to John. Print dot format and name So yes, it is printing. So hello, it's got comma. So hello John. Hello, you are. Hello. Dot format will like name inside the format function. Hello, you are old now. Dot format name in 40. So 40 will be added in the second bracket. Let's copy this to the next cell. Hello John, you are 40 years old. Another way to inject string is fstring. Another method is in fstring. Using the fstring method name is equal to John, print fstring with f hello and name. Hello John, so that is fstring. String index is marked down cells. Now let's write the code using index to print each word. Word hello, print word. Yes, we need to add commas. It will output hello, but there is an error. You need to save this in commas, inverted commas. Yes, print word and each word or each alphabet. So word 1 will print E. So hello, and similarly the minus 1 will show the end value, which is hello. Oh. So that was indexing method. String slicing. Mark down. Run this. Print 0 to 2. That actually a problem. There is some error. Hello. That actually word. So word is equal to hello, and variable word with indexing or slicing. So word with 0 to 2, it will print 0, 1 in output will be HE, so 2 will not print. The limit is 1, 0 and 1, first and second alphabet. No variable name, start, stop and step. So that is the way to write slicing. Print word, start is 0, slice is 5, and in stop is 5, and step is 2. So it will print hello, HLO. So 0, 3, 0, 2 and 4. Alphabet of hello. So replace method replaces our character or value with another one. We want to replace some alphabet or some value inside the string. So hello world is copy, and we want to so hello world is print. Now we want to replace the exclamation mark with dot, just this way, and using replace function, replace method, words dot replace. So first value is replaced by second one. Now we will learn find method. This method is used to find a character or a value in a sentence or some string. Finding the starting index of our search term sentence is look it around. So this is our sentence. Look it around what is going on. Print sentence. Print sentence, look at around what is going on. Now we want to find some character in this sentence or word. So let's find around. So that is the 8, placed at 8th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, starting from 0. Strip method. Strip method is another method. Let's try this one. When we need to get rid of certain character, or we want to slash that characters of a string, then we use this method, removing white space with strip method. So removing some extra spaces. For example, name is John with some space above and below. Use print.name is John, and we want to remove this white space. Print name.strip. So the white spaces are removed. John before and after. Split method. That was strip method. Now we will learn split method. So actually it splits the sentence into many sentences or many strings in words. So sentence is broken down into different sentences separated by commas. So this method actually does that. Sentence is equal to, or sentence is today is Friday and weekend and no weekend is going to start. Print sentence, so it will print this sentence, and we use split function, print.sentence.split. So it will split whole sentence into each word separated by a comma. This is very important function in natural language processing or NLP. Thanks for watching.